button on. Wait. There. Hey, everybody. This is a new episode again. You can't see our heads. Sit up. Move. This is a new episode because I accidentally hit the button like 2 seconds ago. Move.
Only move as far as how they let me. Okay. I'm the Oreo and I'm the cream.
Okay, everybody.
Oreo.
So, what's up? We have to start every episode with a new song. Let's get something crazy. Randomly choose one. Here, I'll hit the shuffle button.
Help me!
I'll hit the shuffle button and see what comes up.
Wait, no, lean on me, okay?
Oh, it's
Lean all your weight
by
on me.
Raven. It's a weird song.
Ouch. I'm trying to make her fall.
No, everybody snap.
Ow.
Oh gosh.
Did you say you farted?
No, I said.
Mine is getting prettier.
She has shoes on. So it shouldn't stink as bad as Gabby.
She's killing me.
Dad.
Where's the girl?
I'm dead.
There's my butt. It's cute.
Okay. We're going to have a new episode of where I die and Gay has to try to resurrect me. Here.
That's wrong.
No, it's this. Okay. Watch. Oh, I'm dead.
No. Breathe! Breathe! I guess you're alive.
Okay, I'll die again.
That was hard.
I'll die again.
Wait, breathe! It's the book.
We just snorted.
It's the book of making you breathe again.
I'm dead.
I can see the Gabby.
Hey, we're not.
Dead. Book ain't gonna help.
Well, now we get the camera all to ourselves. There's Paige's butt.
Zombie. Let's do a thriller dance. Paige knows it.
I know throwing it. Is that my dream? Yeah,
We can't see your face. Get over here and do it.
I will do that.
I'm not to say.
Okay, yo.
It's my jacket, you idiot. Get out of it. We have to have a song or it won't sound right. Move. Hang on, I'll wait.
Have you seen the pacifier? Ever seen the pacifier?
Yeah.
Remember the panda or the whatever panda dance?
This is
Peter Panda
Danger
dance.
by Hilary Duff. I don't really like her, but I know some of her songs. Wait. You're so crazy. Look at her. She's the one with the camera. Shake that fine. It's actually going with the song.
Just to tell you, we so did not plan this.
I
I literally hit the shuffle button on my iPod and it actually goes with the song. It's creepy.
It's really creepy, okay? Sorry.
And it's over.
Bam!
Oh yeah. Forgot
Was
a
that-
section, but I'm not gonna get back and fix it.
I'll finish the song. I never heard this song before.
You've never heard it before?
No. I just put it on my iPod because I like Hilary Duff. I think she's pretty, so I downloaded her song. I have never heard it.
Danger, danger, danger.
My back. I'm dying. I heard a cry.
I'll get you my pretties and your gone. It's literally
Her what?
your gums.
Is that a foot?
You're
my gosh.
No, my foot. It's SpongeBob.
I'm a chipmunk. Okay, that was retarded.
Can I zoom up your nose?
What?
Can I zoom up on your nose?
Uh-huh.
There's your eye.
Danger, danger.
It's a Betty Crocker oven, yeah. Watch my Betty Crocker commercial. Betty Crocker oven, yeah. Okay, that's it.
You don't know the words, do you?
Yes.
But we're also going to record the play that the girls are in. We're gonna make one tonight. Okay, we have to turn off the camera now.